Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the products that make a difference in your life. Today, we're diving into the DilaBee Spray Bottles, a versatile set that includes 4 vibrant 8 ounces bottles designed for various uses, from hair care to plant care, cleaning, and even cooking. Let's explore what makes these bottles stand out and if they're worth adding to your collection. The DilaBee Spray Bottles come in an eye-catching assortment of colors: red, yellow, blue, and purple. Each bottle has a transparent design, allowing you to easily see the contents inside. With a capacity of 8 ounces, these bottles measure 3.5 inches wide and 8 inches tall, making them compact enough to store conveniently yet functional for a variety of tasks. In my experience, these spray bottles are incredibly easy to set up and use. The adjustable nozzle is a standout feature, offering a wide range of spray patterns from a fine mist to a strong stream. This flexibility makes them perfect for hair care routines, misting plants, or applying cleaning solutions. I found that switching between spray patterns was seamless, enhancing the overall user experience. When it comes to performance, the DilaBee spray bottles truly deliver. During my testing, I used them for watering plants and found that the fine mist was excellent for delicate leaves, ensuring even distribution without oversaturation. I also tried using them with a homemade cleaning solution, and the bottles dispensed just the right amount, making my cleaning tasks more efficient. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, these bottles are highly durable, made from BPA-free PET plastic, which is both chemical resistant and leak-proof. Their multi-purpose functionality means they can be used in various settings, from the kitchen to the garden. However, a downside is that they're not dishwasher safe, so you'll need to hand wash them, which could be a hassle for some users. Comparing these bottles to similar items on the market, DilaBee stands out for its vibrant colors and adjustable nozzle, which many competitors lack. While there are cheaper alternatives available, such as simple clear spray bottles, they often don't offer the same durability or range of features that DilaBee provides. Now, if you're enjoying this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Your support helps us bring you more great content. Assessing the value for money, these spray bottles offer a fantastic deal given their quality and versatility. They're built to last, and while they may not be the cheapest option, the durability and functionality justify the investment. Regarding build quality, the materials used feel robust, ensuring that these bottles can withstand regular use without any issues. The overall construction is solid, giving confidence that they won't easily break or leak. User-friendliness is another strong suit. The intuitive design makes it easy for anyone to fill and operate these bottles, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. They're straightforward to refill and clean, as long as you remember to hand wash them after each use. I also reached out to DilaBee's customer support with a few questions about their products, and I was pleasantly surprised by the quick and helpful response. Their customer service seems to be as reliable as their products. In real-world testing, I utilized these bottles for various tasks, from gardening to kitchen use. Each time they performed admirably, consistently delivering the right amount of liquid without any clogging or leaks. As for updates, there haven't been any significant firmware or software updates needed for these spray bottles, which is a testament to their straightforward design. In conclusion, I highly recommend the DilaBee spray bottles for anyone looking for a reliable, multi-purpose squirt bottle. Whether you're a gardener, a home cleaner, or a BBQ enthusiast, these bottles can cater to your needs effectively. They're particularly well-suited for those who appreciate functionality without compromising on style. If you're considering long-term use, I can confidently say these bottles are built to last. They're designed for regular use, ensuring that you won't have to replace them frequently. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in the DilaBee spray bottles, you can find the link in the description below. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments, and let us know if you've tried these bottles or what your thoughts are.